Well, a trip to Walmart, and we have a tin to open. So we picked up a lunchbox on sale, because why not, right? And yes, when I was a kid, I used to carry a lunchbox to school. Ooh, a little cardboard thing. What is in the lunchbox? 3 foil cards. Sneasel, Voltorb, and Growlithe. Nice. And we should have, here, get my here, there's 3 packs there, and 2 packs there. What's underneath it? Stickers! We got stickers! And we have a notebook. And we have our little storage book. Pretty cool, huh? So for packs, we have Silver Tempest, Code Card, Astral Radiance, and Fusion Strike. So since we have 1 Fusion Strike, we start out with the Lone Wolf. If we get it open. Yep. Let's see what we got. That will cross switcher, Excadrill, Snom, Onix, Jigglypuff, Durant, Pansear, Liger, and wah, wah. Okay, so not a good start. Astral Radiance to the rescue. Can't remember what code card means bad in Astral Radiance or not. I think so. We'll find out quick here. Fire! Tricks. Those. Nick it. Bergmite. And. Alright! Garchomp. That's kind of a cool card, isn't it? That's very cool. Put it right out there. Leafeon. Astral Radiance. Strings. Someday I'll get good at opening packs. Truck shoes. Bronzer. Taylor, Quillfish, Ralts, and Reddish. Alright, I do like Silver Tempest. So and I usually do pretty good with Silver Tempest. So let's see if we can score anything in old Silver Tempest here. Oh no, psych! Power. And Professor. Spin down. Ralts. Ponyta. And alright, we're gonna need a little last pack magic here. Can it happen? Oops, on the bottom. Last pack magic. Oh, it's a black card. This is a good thing. Can we pull Brandon, Jinx, Boss, Oops, Bull Picks, Stunfisk, Play Doh, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We'll check them out. Well, thanks for watching, and have a good day.